In this video, we'll show you how to create a leaving scenario that is activated by holding a button. First, navigate to the Scenarios tab. Click Add, name the scenario, and then select the role in Dashboard. Next, choose an icon and define the action such as setting the alarm, closing the door, turning off the lights or setting them to auto. We do this for every light in the property. And lowering the blinds halfway. Once everything is configured, click Save, scroll down, and click Submit, then Done. Now, proceed to the Automation tab and select Add New Automation. Choose the existing I/O and select the button you want to use to trigger the scenario. In this case, it's Jung 1. After completing the setup, you can test the scenario by holding the button. As shown, when you hold the button, the lights turn off, the door closes, and the alarm is triggered. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.